Demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. Let's start with demonstrative. You've learned these before. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out things, places, and people. So it's just pointing things. You're going to decipher between near and far, singular and plural. So if I have a book right here, this is my book, versus one that's across the room, that is my book, singular. If I have these cookies right in front of me versus those cookies across the room. Please copy this chart down. Now let's try this. For each one of these, you need to look at whether it's near or far, and you need to think about whether it is singular or plural. You don't have to copy the sentence, just write down your answers. So whose backpack is that, far away? Whose life jackets are these, close by? Is this your tent, near? Those are my boxes of juice. Now we have interrogative. So if you remember when we learned about different types of sentences, you have declarative, meaning a statement, imperative is a command, exclamatory is an exclamation, and then you have interrogative. So interrogative means questioning. These are used to ask a question. We're going to talk about 4 interrogative pronouns. The first one is who. Refers to a person used as a subject. So if you say, who brings you presents on Christmas, you would say Santa brings you presents. Santa is the subject. Versus whom refers to a person used as an object. So that's if your answer is the object of a sentence. To whom does Santa bring gifts? Santa brings gifts to us. That's an object. Whose refers to a person, and it shows ownership. Whose cookies are these? These cookies are mine. Mine is showing ownership. And finally, what? That refers to a thing. So not a person, just a thing. And it's asking for more information. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Let's try it. All you have to do is write the word in the parentheses that completes the sentence. So the first one is, who was Zeus? That's being used as the subject. Number 2, as soon as you see that to, you know it's to whom did Prometheus give fire? Prometheus gave fire to blank. Number 3, whose was the box, showing ownership. And what was his punishment? Punishment is a thing, so it needs to be what?